Hello guys, welcome to Sid Astrology Studio, and today we will be discussing about the Kendram Dosh. What is Kendram Dosh? Kendram Dosh is caused by moon. Moon is our mind, moon is our emotions and feelings. Moon represents your mother. Also moon is the karka, the main factor of your mind and your emotions. Your feelings is moon. So this yoga, this inauspicious kind of a yoga is caused by moon. The basics for the causing Kendram dosh is that when your moon is alone placed in your horoscope, in your D1 chart, which is your birth chart. Whenever your moon is alone, it means that there are no planets on either side of the moon. There are no planets from the second house from the moon, and there is no planet from the 12th house from the moon. It means your moon is alone and there is no support to your mind, there is no support to your moon. Then the Kendram dosh or the Kendram yoga is formed. Now many astrologers says that this is a very inauspicious yoga. No, it's not like that. It may happen that in some cases this yoga or this combination is kind of malefic, but most of the cases, I would say like 60 to 70% of the cases, it is not like that. Moon represents your feelings and emotions in your mind. So whenever moon is alone, then you may feel alone, you may feel as if you are lonely in your life, there is no support to you, but still it will give you the power to to struggle in your daily life. When your moon is alone, then you are self dependent, your mind is self dependent, you can do work of your own, you don't have to be dependent on others. So this is what moon alone represents in a horoscope. Also, if there are planets like Rahu or Ketu on either side of the moon, then also Kendram dosh is caused. If there is sun on either side of the moon, then also Kendram dosh is formed. So guys, Kendram dosh is formed when your moon is not having a support of any planet. Also some astrologers says that Kendram dosh causes the poverty. It is not like that. It doesn't causes the poverty until and unless your moon is highly afflicted from the malefics in your birth chart, also in your Navmans D9 chart. Your moon is something which is a kind of very important planet in your horoscope, and if your moon is alone, if it is situated alone in your horoscope, then it gives you the strength to live your life alone. You are totally dependent on yourself. You will do you will do your own karmas, you will do your own actions, and your life will be more focused on yourself rather than being focused on others. So this is what Kendram dosh is all about. Also Kendram dosh doesn't causes poverty, because most of the people have Kendram dosh and they are not living in poverty. Also if we talk about the cancellation of this Kendram dosh, then the cancellation occurs when your moon is situated in in a house where that particular house lord is sitting in your horoscope in a very benefic situation, in a positive situation. Then this Kendram dosh is totally nullified. Also, if there are benefic planets from the ninth house, from the ninth from the moon, then also this Kendram dosh is cancelled. So Kendram dosh, you cannot say that it's all about a very negative kind of a yoga. It is something which will teach you the reality of your life. It will teach you that you have come alone in this planet and you will go alone. So it is nothing like very inauspicious kind of a thing which is being caused in your horoscope. So guys, you should be aware of certain things, like whenever you will be going through the dasha of moon, if anyone have kendram dosh in his or her horoscope, then during that dasha period you may experience some ups and downs in your life, you may experience some loneliness in your life, but that will give you the strength to handle your life, that will give the strength to you. Also you have to see in what nakshatra your moon is placed. If your nakshatra lord of that particular house where your moon is placed and that nakshatra lord is in sitting in a very benefic situation, then also this kendram dosh is nullified. So you have to judge every aspect while reaching to the final conclusion that I have a kendram dosh and my life will be in poverty, I will be alone. It's not like that. Kendram dosh is only for a certain period of time. It is activated only for a very very small period of time in your life. You are not always alone, you are not always feeling depressed. Kendram dosh is something which most of the people have. There are so many successful people having kendram dosh. So this is something which should not be taken as a very negative kind of a yoga in your horoscope. And for more yogas and for more details in astrology, I have uploaded some of my videos on my YouTube channel. You can see more of my videos like Raj Yogas, the divisional charts, and different planetary combinations. I have uploaded all those videos. You can see those videos, and you can subscribe my channel. And this was my observation on kendram dosh. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.